In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a watermark for your designs using Canva. Whether you're a content creator, a budding designer, or just someone who wants to add a personal touch to your work, this easy process will help you ensure that your creations are protected. Let's start by opening Canva. You can do this by navigating to the Canva website or opening the Canva app on your device. Once inside, you'll be greeted with a vibrant array of templates and design options. For this tutorial, choose the design dimensions that best suit your project. If you're unsure, a good starting size is usually something like 800 by 800 pixels. This size works well for most online images. With your canvas now prepared, it's time to make our logo. In the toolbar, select the Text tool. Here, you'll type out the text you want to use for your watermark. For demonstration purposes, I'll write "Do not copy logo." Feel free to choose a phrase that resonates with your brand or message. After placing your text on the canvas, click on the color palette option. This lets us change the font color. We're going to switch it to white. White is generally a good choice for watermarks since it's subtle, yet visible against most backgrounds without being intrusive. To replicate the watermark effect throughout your design, let's duplicate this text box multiple times. You can do this easily by selecting the text and using the duplicate function. Arrange these copies to fill the entire canvas. This grid-like pattern ensures that your watermark is hard to crop out, adding an extra layer of protection to your work. Now that our design is complete, it's time to download it. Head over to the top right corner and find the Share option. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Here, you'll choose to download as a PNG file with a transparent background. This transparent background is crucial because it allows the watermark to overlay seamlessly on any of your future designs without obstructing the base image. With your watermark file ready, upload it back into Canva via the Upload section. Ensure that both your new watermark and the image you want to protect have been uploaded. Once uploaded, select your logo from the Uploads menu. Click and adjust its size so it fits appropriately across the image you're working with. Now, to keep the watermark discreet, yet effective, navigate to the Transparency option on the toolbar. Here, you can decrease the transparency of your logo. This gives it a subtle effect, making it visible without overwhelming the content underneath. And there you have it, a simple, effective method to create and apply a watermark to your designs using Canva. This process not only personalizes your work, but also adds a layer of professionalism and protection. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you in securing your creative efforts.